Here's I'll show you how to turn on noise suppression in Discord. Go to settings, select audio, click on mic and select the microphone, which microphone currently you are using. And then click on apply and OK. And under audio mixer, here you find this mic aux. Now you have to add this mic volume to 90%. So the 90% is the best option to record audio without noise. And then click on this three dot, click on filters, click on this plus icon and select noise suppression. Click on OK and the noise suppression added. This filter will automatically remove background noise in OBS. Or you can select this drop down and select space X, and then you can adjust the suppression level according to your background noise. Then just click on OK and that's it. That's how you can actually turn on noise suppression in OBS.